It is now 3:56 on the 29th. I'm in Yaksu station. And it's definitely feeling like winter. People are wearing a lot of heavy jackets. The wind has been blowing a lot today and dries out the skin on my face, so it's harsh. So let's just go for a little walk to show you where I am, okay? Year round, people always sell stuff on the street. Socks. And what are they selling here? Shoes and oh, there's some Dunkin' Donuts that they're selling. Maybe some free coffee and a hat. The problem with shooting on days like this is it's too windy. It makes the sound. So here's the main intersection. I lived here for a couple of years. I really like this area. That way up to Botagoge and Itaewon, that area. And I have to go up here and catch a bus. Saturday, so I don't have much schedule left for this weekend. I just interviewed a trilingual girl. She's from just outside of Shanghai. She speaks English perfectly and she speaks Korean perfectly, and she's here studying. And I met her for just a short while to talk about the movie and the script, so I might cast her for this project. We haven't confirmed the name of the project yet, so I won't even say, but it's about Chinese people. And me, of course. Gotta cross here in a few minutes, as soon as I can. Come on, turn green. Yeah, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna string out some lights around the 4 squares of my living room, stick up a tree, and make it look Christmassy. And Christmas Eve, I think I'm gonna go to the deli and buy some cheese and deli meats and some dips and stuff, and just kind of make it feel like old-fashioned Canadian Christmas. So I don't know if the lights are gonna turn green or not, so maybe I'll shut the video off here. Have a good day on at 4 p.m. on the 29th. Tomorrow is the last day of December. This is where I gotta wait for my bus. Have a wonderful day.